In this video, we will discuss one of the methods of patient assignment, that is case method. Case method is also called as total patient care. It is the oldest method of nursing care delivery. In this method, the nurse assumes total responsibility for meeting all the nursing needs of a patient or a group of patients when she is on duty during a shift. This method was used in the era of Florence Nightingale when patients received total care in their home. That time, nurses were hired and they lived within the family of the patient and providing 24 hours of care to patient and even the family. During an 8 to 12 hour shift, the patient receives consistent care from one nurse. The nurse, patient and family share mutual trust and work together towards specific goal. Usually the care is patient-centered, comprehensive, holistic and continuous. About the characteristics of case method or total patient care. As the name indicates, the nurse provides complete care to the patient. The nurses have high autonomy and responsibility because during the 8-hour shift or when she is on duty, she can plan and implement the care according to the needs of the patients. In this method, assigning patient is simple and direct. Since the patient receives holistic care from a single nurse, there is unfragmentation of care. It is developed and communicated through written sources and its usage remains in contemporary practice. Here is the model of total patient care or case method. The registered nurse, 8-hour shift, that is the morning shift. The registered nurse, 8-hour shift, that is the evening shift. And again the registered nurse in the night shift, that is again 8-hour duration. So, a registered nurse will take care a group of patient or a patient when she is on duty, whether it is in the night, evening or in the morning shift. She plan, organize and perform all the care of the patients. Coming to the organization of case method. The nurse manager's role. The nurse manager must consider the expense of the system before arranging the staff because throughout the 24 hours of a day, registered nurses are required to provide complete care of the patient. So it is an expensive system. Hence, the nurse manager should consider the cost. Arrange skilled and qualified nurses so that she could manage all the care of the person. A single registered nurse is in charge of a patient or a group of patients. So, these nurses have to be skilled and qualified. The manager also need to identify the level of education and communication skills of all registered nurses. She also has to arrange for continuing education and in-service education of the registered nurses. Coming to staff nurse role or registered nurse role in case method. She has to provide holistic care or total care to assigned patient or assigned patients during a definite period of work. Also, it includes assessment and teaching of the patient and family. Coming to the merits of this method, the nurse attend total needs of the patient. She plan and implement the care. So, a single nurse provide care to a single patient or a group of patients throughout the shift. So, there is continuity of care. The client or nurse interaction and rapport can be developed. The client may feel secure. Nurses' accountability for their function is built because there is no sharing of work. She is accountable and responsible for all the nursing action. The family may get more involved. Workload can be equally divided among the staff. About the disadvantage of this method of care delivery, many clients do not require inherent care. Some aspects of care can be given by non-professional health workers, for example, vital signs. But in this method, only registered nurses are allowed to give complete care for a patient. So it cannot be utilized when non-professional health workers are employed in the unit. Third disadvantage is when the nurses are inadequately trained or skillful. This method requires only trained registered nurses, those who have good experience, because they have to provide total care during the entire shift. It is a less cost-effective method because it employs only registered nurses. No non-professional health workers are allowed. Nurses may feel overworkload if most of her assigned patients are sick. He or she may tend to neglect the needs of patient when other patient's problem or need demands more time. It means after her patients, if any patient becomes sick, she may neglect the needs of other patients due to lack of time. This video ends here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.